Have you ever wanted to know the answer to the question, what's in this box? Well, now you can with that guy we sponsored and Innovative Potential. Join Innovative Potential and that guy we sponsored as he makes a box in 3D in real time. Kids, don't try this at home because technically that box is patented under international US and Canadian copyrights laws as well as patent laws, specifically US Patent 111-98943 and Canadian Patent 3035406. We'll see you in 2038. Check out Innovative Potential's YouTube experience today, and remember to click the like and subscribe buttons. Thanks!